Hey guys, I'm Jazz Rose, founder of J&C Education, and I'm going to give you 3 quick steps to mastering your GCSE exam preparation. Step 1 is to plan your work and work your plan. What I mean by that is to plan your entire week ahead, Monday right through to Sunday if it's applicable for you, and plan in 1 to 2 hour blocks. What are you going to study and when? And be very specific about what you're going to study within that specific subject. The second thing is to make sure that you are clearing your war room. Prepare it. You are going to war with your work and get on it. So clear your desk, clear your space, get your water or whatever it is that you specifically need to study, and just have that there. Nothing else should be in the way. The third and final thing is to be active in the learning process. Don't just sit there and wait for information to come to you by reading it, but actually recite it, write it down, act it out, be dramatic with it so that it becomes immersive in your mind. A quick tip on that is to record yourself and teach yourself. Teach yourself what you've just learnt by listening to it, by recording yourself and then listening to it as you go to school or as you go on your journeys and as you go to sleep. That will really help it to embed in your mind information, and that will give you the steps to success that you need to master your GCSEs, and don't let your GCSEs master you.